All right, so let's say your car is just getting really dirty and you need to get it detailed. You could go to Google and search auto detailing, see what you can find. Maybe you'll click on one of them and check out their prices. You may notice that a complete detail for your car is $250. So, a better idea is to check out Avontage.com. Scroll down and click the Automotive Services tab, and then you can find a few different offers for car detailing where you can use your Avontage bucks instead of spending the cash in your pocket. Plus, the prices are better. When you're ready to make a purchase, just click Proceed to Buy.